All right, number 4, I got tangent of 60 degrees. All right, Clifton, give me my point at 60 degrees.
That would be 1/2 and square root of 3 and over 2.
Gotcha. So let's go ahead and do keep, change, flip when we set it up. What goes first? Root 3 over 2 times what?
2 over 1.
Very good. I'm going to stop here and see if anybody has a question. All right, so you folks that are on the Google Classroom, you cannot use your calculators on this. We're going to have to do it all by hand. And our formula for tangent is y over x. Let me hold your unit circle real quick. Hang on a second. I hope they are. All right, at the bottom of your unit circle, guys, I got all your formulas right there. That's where we're getting the formulas from. All right, so Michaela, this one's easy, guys. There's not a lot of work to do on this one. Watch. I mark out the 2's. What's my answer? Root 3. Now remember, you only have to do the extra steps and change it if it's on the bottom. I'll say that again. Michaela, you ready? This is my answer. This one worked out really easy. The 2's marked out. I don't have to do all the extra steps because I don't have a square root on the bottom of a fraction. If the square root's on the top of the fraction, everything's good. You just leave that. All right, so what did you do different than me? Because the formula says y goes first, so I put my root 3 over 2 first. X goes on the bottom. That's the one I'm going to flip, so I flipped it and made it 2 over 1. Crossed out my 2's, and I just got root 3 left. So that was pretty easy. So far, guys, the only hard problem we've had was number 2. Everything else has been pretty easy. All right, let's go to 5. Number 5, tangent at 90 degrees. All right, this one's probably going to be pretty easy. Here's 90 degrees. There's the point, 0 and 1. Now, you guys write it in fraction form, y over x, and see what the answer looks like. You won't have to do your keep, change, flip step on this. All right, so we know the formula is y over x. We got that off the bottom of our unit circle. Y is 1 over 0. What if y'all plug that if you had calculators? You can't divide by 0. Anytime 0 is on the bottom, what's your answer? No. If it says error, you can't do it. And if you can't do it, it's no solution or undefined. I'm going to write undefined.
So undefined and no solution are going to be the same thing?
That's right. One of the kids last year made up a little rhyme, and they said it every time we had one of these. They would say, below the line is undefined. And it was a way they could remember it wasn't 0, it was undefined. All right, any question here? Again, not a lot of work. We've only had one problem, guys, that was a lot of work, and that was number 2. So most of them are going to be short. All right, let's go to number 6 now. All right, we got number 6, tangent of 2 pi over 3. All right, Jacob, give me the point for 2 pi over 3. All right, it is 120. And it's right here. Negative 1/2 root 3 over 2. All right, guys, I think this one's going to be an easy one. You try to do keep, change, flip, and see what you get. So I got root 3 over 2. I got to flip this one, so that'll be negative 2 over 1. My final answer, guys, since the 2's crossed out, now the negative didn't cross out, just the 2's, my answer is negative root 3. And remember, as long as I don't have the square root on the bottom, I'm okay. You had root 3 over negative 1, Michaela? Same thing. Just move your negative sign up to the top and you're good.
You keep the negative sign on top?
I always do. Yeah. Is it wrong if you don't? No, it's not wrong. You can leave it the way she's got it and it's right.
So if I wrote root 3 over negative 1, it's not
I'd count that as right, but
That's the same thing.
But in the future, let's try to move our negative sign, kick it up to the top. It just looks better. All right, so another easy one. Let's go to 7. 7 looks like an easy one. All right, let's give y'all a little more time now to do one by yourself. Number 7 says tangent of pi. The formula is y over x. See what y'all can do with that one. Should need about 20 seconds.
Where's that at?
All right, so at pi, the point's -1 and 0. I put 0 over -1. Guys, 0 divided by anything is 0. Remember, the only time it's undefined is when if 0 is below the line, it's undefined. Now, I'm asking y'all to show me one step. I don't care what you show me. You can just show me that step. The 0 over -1 equals 0. I'm good. Show me one step. All right, number 8. We got tangent of 7 pi over 6. Find 7 pi over 6. There it is. -√3 over 2 and -1/2. All right, this might be our second longer problem. I'm thinking it might be. All right, the formula is y over x. See if y'all can set it up. Go ahead and do your keep, change, flip. I didn't start it back yet. Same answer as number 2.
3 over 3.
Yeah, because we were doing the same numbers. So the top is 1 times √3 is √3. The bottom, 3 times 3, that's square root of 9, which turns into a 3. So you can't leave a square root on the bottom. You have to do your extra step. We're figuring out like 1 out of every 5 or 6 problems, you're going to have to do that step. All right, let's go to number 9. You guys can work ahead. I'm going to have to show it all since I'm helping it. Everybody on the video. It's going to be bad for these at home not being able to learn this. It would really help them to be in class on this one. All right, we're on number 9, right? Tangent of 3 pi. It is right here, Caleb. 3 pi over 2, right there. See right here? 3 pi over 2. All right, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to write down the point, which is 0, -1. So this one is -1 over 0. When 0 is below the line, it's undefined. Same thing as no solution. If you feel better writing no solution, that's good with me. All right, y'all go to number 10. All right, in class today, guys, we're going to go all the way through number 20. We're going to stop. Stop at 20. We're not going to do the right column. We'll save that for another day. Number 10. Now, Jacob, are you still standing by? We got a lot of no solutions on this. Or did you have to fix some?
I fixed some, but there was like a few.
All right, Jacob, give me the point for 7 pi over 4. Where's it at? I see it. What's the degree?
315.
315 right there. So look, guys, y'all got √2 over 2 and -√2 over 2. All right, this one's going to be pretty easy because I write the y down first. Keep, change, flip. So I flip the x. Everything cancels out except what?
Negative.
So my answer is what?
Negative.
-1. Good job. All right, so now we're going to number 11, and now it's changing up on us a little bit. Let's go to 11.
It's going to be x over y.
There you go. All right, number 11, we got a new formula. Cotangent at 0 degrees. So we've been doing y over x for every problem so far. Now we got to change it. What's the formula for cotangent?
X over Y.
All right, if you want to write it down one time, great. I'm not going to make you write that down because you can just look at the bottom of your sheet. So you guys go to 0 degrees. Here's your point. All right, you guys use about 10 seconds to find an answer. This one, no solution? No solution? Okay, fine. All right, x goes on top now, Michaela. So now it's 1 over 0. If 0 is below the line, it's undefined. So that one is a no solution or undefined. All right, I'm going to do one more with you, and then hopefully I can stop. Let's go to number 12. I'd like to let y'all finish them out. Number 12, I got cotangent of pi over 6. All right, let's find pi over 6. Here it is.
30.
Pi over 6, 30 degrees, right there. There's my point. It's √3 over 2 and 1/2. All right, you guys use a second to do your keep, change, flip step. And let's see if this is one of the harder ones. I'm saying one of the harder ones, one that's got the extra step.
√3 over
Yeah, it gets pretty easy.
so that's just
All right, so it's root 3 over 2 times 2 over 1. What's my answer?
Root 3.
Yeah, root 3. All right, I would like to do one of the harder ones with you, so let me find one. You guys go ahead and do 13.